I'm so icy. She's so icy. Everybody icy. 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 Welcome back to my channel. It's LOVELIJA here with another video. Oh my gosh. We did a smoky eye. Yes. Okay, I haven't done a smoky eye in so long. So this has really put, my skills to the test. And I think, I'm pretty happy with how the look, came out. I did use a couple of palettes that I've used in my past videos. So if you want to go ahead and see how I achieve this look, first subscribe to my channel and like this video and go ahead and continue watching. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into it. Yeah, jump right into it. So you already know we're priming with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Base Primer. For foundation, again, I hope y'all don't get tired of me, but this foundation is too popping, I just can't. And that's that NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. I'm in the shade Mahogany, if you didn't know. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of 2 pumps. Hold on, let me get that. Okay, I'm not out of it. I don't use it that much. That was a little more than 2 pumps, but at least I got some foundation out of it. I'm going to take this buffing brush and go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm just going to take my beauty blender, my Buddha blender, and just go over what I've done with the brush. Make sure, because I did add a lot of layers of foundation. Using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera and then I'll be right back. All right, so we're back with the brows. They're cute, they came out really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I don't know how many times I say this, but this is the main concealer I've been using. I had put it down for a second, but then I put it back up. I'm gonna take this and blend it out. Okay, so now that we have a blank canvas on our eyes, I'm just going to set those eyes just a little bit, just mini Laura Mercier powder I have. I'm going to set my eyebrows with that. I'm just going to put some setting powder under my eyes just in case I get any kickback from the eyeshadow, because I definitely do not want anything messing up my foundation, because my foundation looks really good. I'm using my Dose of Colors Desi and Katie palette. I'm starting off with Churro. I believe, yeah, that's Churro. Let's go ahead and put that in my crease. I want to create layers. I want to show some gradients within the eyeshadows. So I want to see how this shade shows up on my eyes. Yeah, it's giving it some more definition. That's what I'm looking for, some more definition within the crease. I'm going to take this shade right here called Girl Bye and put that in my crease as well, using the same brush. You don't really have to switch brushes. I'm taking this dark brown shade right here and also adding that, like more just in the outer V area. Kind of like dragging it a little bit in the center of my eyelid or my crease. So I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Blend palette and taking the shade Noir. I'm going ahead and put that in my outer corner, my outer V as well. I'm going to take like a more precision brush. I'm going to take just a brush that doesn't have anything on it, just kind of blend all that together. Okay, so now that we have like majority of the eyes done, which I'm really excited came out really nice, we're going to cut some crease. I'm just taking leftovers on this brush from that black eyeshadow and just creating some softness with the crease that we just cut. I'm taking my flat brush and dip into a moment right here. If you don't remember from my last video, this is a swatch of a moment, like a gunmetal gray-ish like shimmer color. I'm gonna wet that a little bit with my Fix Plus. Let's apply. This is so freaking pretty. Oh my god. I'm about to take more of that black eyeshadow and a little bit of, well, yeah, I'm about to take this and mix it with a little brown because I don't want it so black. And just kind of define your crease a little bit more. Too much, too much. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is gorgeous. I'm about to do my other eye really quick. So, okay, so I finished both eyes. I just really love this. Like, I feel really glam. Like, it's so cute. So I'm just gonna dust off this powder. And I'm just gonna do the rest of my face really quickly. Okay, so I didn't put any blush on. I just put some bronzer and a little bit of highlighter on. This is the highlighter that I used. I should use my Aurora palette. I think I am gonna take a little highlighter out of this. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Orion. This is blue. I'm just gonna lightly tap that. Slightly. Okay, let me blend that in a little bit with my beauty blender. So I am going to finish my eyes. My camera cut off and I didn't realize what point the camera cut off on, so we're just gonna move past all of that. I do have a mascara, but I finished one eye. I need to finish this eye. I tried to attempt to put on lashes, but it just did not work out for me. I don't know, me and lashes, we just don't mesh. So let's finish the eyes. We're gonna take some churro and put it underneath the eye. And I'm taking some of the Girl Bye and adding that just for a little more dimension. I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner and go ahead and put that in my waterline. We're almost done. To finish up the look, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Just going to apply that all over the lips. Ooh. And I chose gloss just not because I already love gloss, just because I love gloss. And my foundation is really matte, so I didn't want to put a matte lip on top of all the matteness. Like, I didn't want to. And last but not least, I'm going to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. My hair looks a little wild, but I mean, it kind of goes with the flare. I kind of wish I didn't put that highlighter on because it's too, like, I'm too light up here, just a tad. I really don't want to put anything on it. Let me see. Take that out a little bit. Too much highlighter. Okay, so this is the finished look, and I'm really proud of how this look came out. Like, it's really look, you know, really nice. Like, I look popping. So if you love how this look came out just as much as I do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please just go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and do that now. And, you know, leave some comments for me. Let's have a chat in the comment section. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.